do for Valentine's Day. I hope all of you will love it.
Lost and found. Finding love is such a magical thing. It makes you feel worthless, like a feather floating effortlessly on the wind.
Losing love is such a painful thing to bear. It crushes your heart like a wrecking ball crashing down on a piece of glass, breaking it into a million pieces.
When I think of love, I think of you. You have been listening to love songs, removing words from lyrics, leaving nothing but the essence of which the song was made. Love.
When you're in love, you learn to listen. Listen to every word love tells you. Listen as those words become your truth, your reality, your refuge. Listen as those very same words you believe in come crashing down on you.
There are no words that can describe the feeling you feel inside. Love will leave you speechless.
Love will take the words from your mouth and throw them out the window, leaving you confused, not knowing what to say.
When I'm alone, I think of you. Think of all the wonderful things we could do.
Think of all the crazy things we used to do.
The simple thought of you brings me joy, and I find myself smiling readily all throughout the day for no apparent reason.
The simple thought of you brings pain to my heart, and I am stricken by sadness, as the memories of days gone by come flooding in.
It's funny how time seems to move so fast when we're together, and moves ever so slow when we're apart. And when you're here with me, days feel like mere moments in our life together.
And now that we're apart, I feel like time has stopped. The warmth of your embrace has been replaced with the cold caress of loneliness.
I love you, I love you, I love you. The words I'll never get tired of telling you. I'm hoping you'll love me as much as I love you.
I hate you, I hate you, I hate you. But deep down inside, the words I really want to say is, I still love you. And I'm here hoping, if you still love me too.
The smile painted on my face is my thanks to you. The smile that shows the happiness I feel because of you.
The smile that masks the tears and pains you made me go through. Oh, what I would give to have you wrapped around my arms again. Your head gently pressed on my chest. That is where you belong.
And as you wrap your arms around me, I'd listen to the sweet sound of your heartbeat as it carries me away in love's sweet embrace.
Love is but a mere illusion that drowns you in loneliness. Falling in love would mean fooling yourself.
Yet you end up fooling yourself for not falling in love. Love has its ups.
Love has its downs.
Love is kind.
Love is harsh.
Love will fill your life with laughter.
Love will bring tears into your eyes.
Love will make you happy.
Love will make you sad.
Love is all this and more. When you find love, embrace it. For you never know how long love will stay. But this is what makes love a very wonderful feeling. The thought that it might vanish at any time fills every inch of your being with life. And you end up celebrating every moment you spend with love.
And when you have lost love, fret not. For it is always better to have loved and lost than to have never loved at all. For what has been lost can always be found, although it might look a bit different than what it originally looked like.
So when you find love, cherish it, celebrate it. Do not wait to lose love to know what true love is worth.